So I'm here on St. Simon's Island, Georgia. I've been here a bunch of times. You talk about a great destination for food, cool place to come and vacay with the family. But today is not like a normal visit. No, today is a first. You see, I'm not a big dessert person. So today when I say it's a first, I'm going to a place that all they do is make desserts. But I hear it's like taking a trip right into Grandma's kitchen. This is Dulce Dough.
Cat heads out.
It is fabulous.
Chocolate donut.
I love donuts.
A donut shop is not doing it justice.
Brioche bun is ready.
This is the heart of St. Simon's.
The hot spot.
Look at Ryan back there. She's what brings it all together.
And Ryan Carrier isn't just baking up her A game. She's also channeling a bit of nostalgia.
This is an homage to my grandmother.
This reminds me of my grandma's house.
Yeah.
I'm excited. So what are we gonna make?
We're gonna make baba o rum. Rum syrup going down on the baba o rum.
Baba Aram is an amazing pastry. It really tastes like a island vacation.
So what are we making first?
Okay, so first we're gonna start with our brioche dough. Milk,
Yeast.
eggs,
Woo! Egg drop.
sugar, vanilla, all-purpose flour, and salt.
Whoa, you turned on the transformer.
Yes. We're gonna start adding 2 pounds of butter about every 10 minutes for about an hour and a half.
Once this is done,
Let it rest overnight.
all right,
So now we're gonna put the dough through the sheeter, dropping it by 5 centimeters each time. Now we're going to punch our dough. We let them rest overnight.
they'll go to the proofer. Once they're done in the proofer, into the fryer.
Yep.
And now you bring out the Harry Potter sticks.
Our magic wands, flip them several times.
Look at you go. And the glaze has to go on when they're hot.
Yes.
What's in their glaze? Walk me through it.
Brown and granulated sugar, cinnamon stick, clove, and cardamom. 2 different kinds of rum, white rum and an aged rum. We let it come up, we flame it, burn the rum off, add our water, vanilla bean, homemade apricot jam.
And then strained?
Let them cool. Then we're gonna fill them with a caramelized pineapple jam, fresh pineapple, sugar, lime juice, salt.
Now you're gonna macerate with your hand?
Yep. Cook this until the sugars start to caramelize. Blend it.
You emulsify the butter into it?
Yes.
Okay.
Exactly. We're making our dulce pastry cream. Cornstarch, sugar, grind down all of those dry ingredients. Add our milk, yolks, vanilla paste. Set the time for 16 minutes and 30 seconds.
Really?
185. Once that's done, add our bloomed gelatin and our butter.
Got it.
And then we're gonna add a roasted white chocolate. It's like a little
Caramely.
nutty and caramelly. Add our mix and stir it to melt the chocolate. Cool it down. Fold in whipped cream to make it a diplomat.
Once it's a diplomat, we're ready to go.
Yes. Punch holes in the dough, caramelized pineapple jam.
Pipe it right in.
This is the dulce pastry cream.
That's how much goes on there?
Pineapple jam.
You kill me. So you can cut it in half, that's not bad? I can look at it?
Oh, yeah.
I hope you're having a great time watching me eat a donut. Ah, it's really good. The caramelization of the rum, spot on. The dulce is great, and I love this little carameled sugar chocolate that goes through it. But it's the pineapple that kind of ties everything together. It gives you a little acidity.
Thank you.
Delicious.
We have the Baba O Rum.
It was decadent.
Can you eat the whole thing? Not size-wise, but sugar-wise.
Yeah, it's not too sweet.
The pineapple jam you don't expect with the cream, and it's just delicious.
There's a lot of flavor in it.
I agree. And it doesn't matter if I didn't agree. You're too big to say I don't agree.
You better agree.
Maple bacon.
Have you ever been to a place like this?
No. It's so beautiful and cute, and then the food is so delicious.
It's a social place.
Like, I'm here a lot.
Are you the mayor of this town?
No, not even close.
Not even close.
More pecan sticky buns.
The sticky bun is fantastic.
Like crossing a sticky bun with grandma's pecan pie.
Can't come down to the South and not have a pecan sticky bun.
We're gonna make our brown sugar caramel. Corn syrup.
Got it.
Brown sugar, white sugar, a little water. Let this rest for about 15 minutes. Turn it on at a low heat. Add heavy cream. Hit it with some salt. Whisk in butter. Strain it once it's finished.
Caramel's done, the same brioche dough.
Yep.
Smear the butter on with our hand.
Then we'll add our cinnamon sugar, tuck it and roll it.
Well, you just love to work hard.
I do. Roll it to make sure it's even everywhere. Cut it down. We're gonna butter, paper.
This is the caramel that we made.
Yep. add our pecans.
Right where the buns are gonna go.
2, 4, 6. So this goes in the proofer. About an hour and a half.
And then it'll bake at what?
325 for about 25 minutes.
They got huge.
They got huge, yep. Portion them.
Okay. Whoa!
There we go.
You should have thought about putting some caramel on the bottom.
Finish it with some butter. This is how my mom would serve it when we were kids.
The cold butter with the pecan roll.
Mm-hmm.
The salt on the butter.
It's kind of like ice cream.
Salty ice cream. I am gonna be so loaded up on sugar, I'm gonna push the car down the street here. That was great.
Pecan sticky bun.
It's sticky and not too sweet. I just really like it.
Quiche for Sarah, ready?
From the decor to the food, it's just great from start to finish.
When people come here to be transported to your grandma's kitchen, they don't have the beginning of the understanding of the depth of the culinary journey that they're about to take. It is amazing and inspiring. You're awesome.